If anyone has an ear, let him hear.
This is for entertainment purposes. This is for educational purposes. This is for understanding purposes. This is just, what is this? To my understanding, if I'm wrong, you can tell me in the comments. This is a compass. The compass points to the magnetic north, which emulates in a way the North Star. But that's not the only thing that we go through celestially to know where we're at. And this is where I'm going with this. Check this out. Now, when we look at the map, where are we on the map? America. If I'm correct, am I correct to say that we are in the west of the map? That the whole United States of America is on the west. And then when you break out the United States of America, California is the west coast, right? And New York is the east coast. Am I correct? And everything along the shoreline of New York is the east coast, and everything along the shoreline of California is the west coast. And, from the middle out. So, we understand that the sun rises east, right? Like the North Star points north, the sun rises east, right? Check this. Every day, the sun, moon, planets, and stars appear to rise in the east, and they set in the west. Actually, these celestial bodies aren't moving that fast, but the earth is blah, blah, blah. This is for you globers and thinking that we're hurtling through space. But I'm talking about the movement of the celestial bodies, right? So we have this eclipse coming on April 8th. And if you notice on the eclipse, that the eclipse starts down in New Mexico, Texas area. But the sun rises on the sun rises on the east. On this side of the map, the sun comes up on this side of the world, right? Right? Am I correct? If the sun rises on the east, and this is west and east, the sun will be rising on this side of the map. Am I correct to say that, right? But the sun is not rising here, because at 1:43 Eastern time, the sun is going to start taking this path, right? Until at 2:43, it's going to be right here where I'm pointing my finger, and it's going to be at its point of totality with the moon, where it's going to be blacked out. And then it's going to keep making its way east. How is the sun that rises east and sets west going from west to east? Am I correct or am I wrong to say this is all I want to know? This